NFTs have been a hot topic in the crypto space for quite a long time. Many artists have made millions of dollars selling their NFTs. But do these NFTs hold any value? Nope. It's almost impossible for NFT holders to resell their collectibles. That's why we developed 2x NFT, an app where people can double their money in NFTs. As soon as you buy a collectible from the 2x NFT website, we automatically relist it for sale at double value. This means that the price of every collectible doubles every time it's bought. And since the price is bound to be doubled, it would never go out of demand. The first collection of NFTs we are launching is FROGSHAKE. It's a collection of 51 limited edition NFTs. You can either buy a whole collectible or just a portion of it. That's right, you can now pool NFTs. We're the first to implement the concept of pooled NFTs. And also, we don't charge any fee when you make a sale. So in this little tutorial, we'll show you the 2x NFT in action, so you understand how it works and how to use it. We'll cover all major concepts like buying, pooling, unpooling and encashing. First of all, open 2xnft.com in your browser. You need to connect your wallet to use the app. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Now choose the wallet type. If you're using a desktop browser with MetaMask or a dApp browser, select Internal Wallet. If you're using a mobile wallet app like Trust Wallet or MetaMask's mobile app, select External Wallet. I selected the External Wallet option. After connecting the wallet, we can now use the app. There are multiple collectibles listed on our website. Search for the collectible that you want. I'm going to search for chocolate. Click on the Action button to expand available options. First we'll use the Buy option. The Buy option is to get 100% ownership of the collectible. Click Buy and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. I just bought this collectible for 1 BNB. When the transaction is complete, you'll see the collectible on the Owned Collectibles page. Now when someone else buys this collectible, it would appear on the cashable page. We'll wait for some time. Now the collectible is cashable. It means I'll now get double BNB value when I encash. You can see my BNB balance before encashing is around 0.4 BNB. Click the Action button and then the Encash button. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. You can see my BNB balance increased by 2 BNB. So I bought the NFT for 1 BNB and it's automatically sold for 2 BNB. Bloody impressive. Now I'll show you the pool feature on 2x NFT. It allows you to buy a small portion of the NFT if you don't want the entire NFT. Input the amount you want to spend on the collectible. I'm putting 0.25, so when the collectible is sold, I'll get 0.5 BNB. Your money always doubles whether you use the Buy option or the Pool option. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. You can see the pool is 25% filled now. When the pool transaction is complete, the collectible would appear on the pooled collectibles page. If you ever want to withdraw your BNB back, you can do so by using the unpool option. But remember, the unpool option is available only before the pool is full. To unpool, click the Action button, then select Unpool. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. You can see my BNB balance updated as I got my pooled BNB back. And the collectible is no longer present in my pooled collectibles. Let's pool again, and this time we won't unpool it. I'll pool for the same amount and submit it. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. Once the pool is full, we'll get ownership of the collectible. The collectible should now be visible on the Owned Collectibles page. Now when someone else buys this collectible, it would appear on the Cashable page. The collectible is cashable now. We put 0.25 BNB, so we're entitled to 0.5 BNB. Click the Action button and then the In-Cash button. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. That concludes this video. So we learned that 2x NFT is the easiest way to multiply your money in NFTs, and you never have to worry about selling your NFTs, they're automatically sold at double value whether you buy them or pool them. Thanks for watching.